Hello friends, I am Chetan Singadia. You are watching official YouTube channel of Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Today we are going to see the features of cloud computing. After studying cloud computing architecture, we come up with the features of cloud computing. Then we have to see the characteristics, or we can say features of cloud computing state its importance in the market. Let us see what are the features, or we can say characteristics of cloud computing. First one is resource pooling. Second one is on-demand self-services. Third one, easy maintenance. Fourth one, large network access. Fifth one, availability. Sixth one, automatic system. Seventh one, economical. Eighth, security. Ninth one, pay as you go. And last one, that is 10th, measured services. So these all are the features of cloud computing. Now let us see first one, that is resource pooling. What is resource pooling? It means that the cloud provider pooled the computing resources to provide services to multiple customers with the help of multi-tenant model. There are different physical and virtual resources assigned and reassigned, which depends on the demand of the customer. The customer generally has no control or information over the location of the provided resources, but it is able to specify the location at the higher level of abstraction. So this is what the resource pooling. Let us see what is on-demand self-service. It is one of the important and valuable features of cloud computing, as the user can continuously monitor the server's uptime, capability and allotted network storage. With this feature, user can also monitor the computing capabilities. Easy maintenance. The servers are easily maintained and the downtime is very low. Even in some cases, there is no downtime. Cloud computing come up with update every time by gradually making it better. The updates are more compatible with the devices and perform faster than older ones, along with the bugs which are fixed. Let us see what is large network access. A user can access the data of the cloud or upload the data to the cloud from anywhere just with the help of a device or an internet connection. These capabilities are available all over the network and accessed with the help of internet. Availability. The capabilities of the cloud can be modified as per the use and can be extended a lot. It analyzes the storage usage and allows the user to buy extra cloud storage if needed for a very small amount. Let us see what is automatic system. Cloud computing automatically analyzes the data needed and supports a meeting capability at some level of service. We can monitor, control and report the usage. It will provide transparency for the host as well as the customer. Economical. It is the one-time investment, as the company has to buy the storage and small part of it can be provided to the many companies, which saves the host from monthly or yearly cost. Only the amount which is spent is on the basic maintenance and few more expenses which are very less. Let us see what is security. Cloud security is one of the best features of cloud computing. It creates a snapshot of data stored so that the data may not be lost, even if one of the server gets damaged. The data is stored within a storage device which cannot be hacked or utilized by any other person. The storage services is quick and reliable. Let us see what is pay as you go. In cloud computing, a user has to pay only for the services or the space they have utilized. There is no hidden or extra charges which is to be paid. The services is economical and most of the time some space is allotted for a free. Let us see what is measured service. Cloud computing resources used to monitor the company used it for recording. This resource utilization is analyzed by supporting charge per use capability. This means that the resource usages, which can be either virtual server instances that are running in the cloud, are getting monitored and measured and reported by the service provider. This model, the pay-as-you-go, is variable based on the actual consumption of the manufacturing organization. So this is what the measured service is. So let me once again list out the features of cloud computing, or we can say characteristics of cloud computing. Resource pooling, on-demand self-service, easy maintenance, large network access, availability, automatic system, economical services, pay-as-you-go model, and measured services. So this is what the features of cloud computing. I hope you will through this video lecture you will understand the characteristics of cloud computing, or we can say features of cloud computing. Thank you all.